Have you ever considered the subtle details that transform a house into a truly inclusive home, especially for loved ones navigating mobility challenges? It goes beyond simply adding a ramp. There is a science to making an entrance genuinely accessible. The Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA, guidelines significantly influence ramp design by setting specific technical requirements that ensure safety, usability, and independent access for individuals with disabilities. These guidelines are crucial for creating spaces that are truly welcoming and functional for everyone. At the heart of a ramp design is the fundamental concept of the running slope. This slope dictates the steepness of the ramp, with a maximum allowable ratio of 1 inch of rise for every 12 inches of horizontal run. This translates to roughly an 8.3% gradient. This specific incline is vital because it allows most individuals using wheelchairs or other mobility aids to ascend and descend safely without excessive effort or risk of tipping. For longer ramps, intermediate landings are a must. These flat, level areas provide essential resting points and allow users to change direction safely. A DA requires landings to be at least 60 inches long and as wide as the ramp itself. Furthermore, handrails are not optional for many ramps. They are required on both sides of any ramp segment with a rise greater than 6 inches or a horizontal projection exceeding 70 inches. These handrails must be continuous, easy to grasp, and extend beyond the top and bottom of the ramp to provide stable support for transitions. Beyond the running slope, the cross slope, or the slope perpendicular to the direction of travel, must not exceed 1:48, preventing unintended lateral movement. The ramp surface itself must be stable, firm, and slip-resistant to prevent falls, especially in wet conditions. When you are planning or evaluating a ramp project, begin by carefully measuring your rise and run to ensure it meets that 1:12 slope requirement. Always check your local building codes, as they may have additional or more stringent requirements beyond the federal ADA standards. Consulting with a qualified accessibility professional or contractor specializing in a compliance can save you time, effort, and potential costly rework, ensuring that your ramp is not only functional but also fully compliant and safe. Always remember to factor in adequate maneuvering clearance at the top and bottom of the ramp. An often overlooked detail is the importance of edge protection, which prevents wheels from accidentally rolling off the side of the ramp. This can be achieved with curbs or handrails. Also, the specification for handrail extensions might seem minor, but it is a critical safety feature, allowing users to gain full control before entering or exiting the ramp surface. These extensions ensure that support is available exactly where it is needed for smooth and secure transitions. Understanding the nuances of these guidelines, like the specific dimensions for clear landing spaces, truly elevates a basic ramp into an accessible pathway. Ultimately, adhering to a guidelines for ramp design isn't just about meeting legal requirements. It is about thoughtfully designing spaces that foster true independence, dignity, and safety for everyone. By understanding and implementing these carefully considered standards, we create pathways that genuinely remove barriers, making homes and communities more inclusive and supportive for all individuals, especially our seniors.
If this helps you live smarter and safer, like, subscribe, and stay inspired.